Into a 3031, we're back in with another banger unboxing review. Today we got the 2018 Halloween sequel, prequel. I don't give a damn.
Oh, man.
No, I'm not. There it is, guys. The back, the bonus features, guys. Scream Queen, no way. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna get out of the packaging now. Pretty regular cover, guys. There's the back again, guys. Can't find the tool, guys. Page cuss.
Did you show us left cover?
Yeah, page cuss. No more cussing, guys. No more cussing. There it is, guys, out of the package. Let's just look in the inside. There's the Blu-ray disc, free digital code. It's not good, guys. The camera's blurry. There's the DVD disc. Pretty I didn't say it. There it is, guys. Even has deleted scenes and extended scenes. Guys, it has the making, guys, and the original Scream Queen, Sound of Fear, guys. Really scary stuff, guys. I'm kind of scared of these movies, guys. They do something to me, man. Oh, fuck.
God, calm down.
No, I don't. Can you give him life today? Everything's gonna be okay. No, all right. And bye.